Hi there, my name is Josephine Marsh. I'm an accordion player and music teacher here in West Clare. Growing up, I would have been influenced by my father, Paddy, at a young age. He taught me my first few tunes on the accordion. After that, one of my heroes of the accordion would have been Joe Cooley. I listened to his record a lot when I was young. And Jackie Daly as well. Any collaboration that Jackie was involved with, I loved. His record, the Eavesdropper with Kevin Burke, was another one of my favourite records to listen to. I would have been influenced by the music of Connor Tully growing up a lot. I loved the way he played and his style of playing, his choice of tunes, his minor tunes, loved all that stuff. And the feeling that they bring about those tunes from the different regions just created a lovely energy and made me want to learn more. I'm looking forward to going to Asturias to meet everybody and to experience the culture there and to learn some tunes, teach some of the tunes that I know from this region, and also to teach some tunes that some of the local composers would have written here in West Clare, principally Junior Crehan, and maybe to teach one or two of my own tunes as well. So looking forward to meeting you all there, and see you down the line.